Get ready for an exciting tour of the amazing Nicole Micro House on Wheels, brought to you by MitchCraft Tiny Homes. This stunning tiny home is based on a dual-axle trailer and draws power from a standard RV-style hookup, making it easy to move to any destination. With a price tag of $150,000, this tiny home is the epitome of luxury and comfort on the go. During this YouTube video, we'll take you on a tour of every inch of Nicole's tiny home, measuring 16 x 8 feet. You'll see firsthand how this tiny home is designed to maximize space without sacrificing style or comfort. Visitors enter the living room. This one is very compact and is dominated by a sofa and storage space. Plus there is an electric fireplace and wall-mounted TV. Much of the rest of the available space on the ground floor is taken up by the adjacent kitchen, which is well equipped, especially considering the size of the house, and contains a fridge freezer, oven and 4-burner propane stove, a microwave, a stainless steel sink, a handy pull-out table, and quite a lot of storage space, plus that all-important dishwasher. With a staircase that doubles as storage, you can make the most of every inch of space in your home. Whether you're looking to store shoes, books, or other household items, the built-in cabinets and shelves are perfect for keeping your space organized and clutter-free. But what really sets this design apart are the slide cabinets. These cabinets are designed to slide out from under the stairs, providing even more storage space that is both hidden and easily accessible. Whether you need to store seasonal items, extra linens, or anything else, the slide cabinets are a convenient and practical solution. The upper floor is accessed by a staircase with integrated storage. Here is the office, placed so that the owner's legs can hang over the side. Obviously, the setup isn't as ergonomic as a desk and chair, but it's an improvement over many of the offices we see, some of which require the owner to sit cross-legged on the floor. Next to the office is the bedroom proper, which is the typical sleeping area of a tiny house, with a low ceiling that accommodates a double bed and even more storage space. Under the upper bedroom is a comfortable bathroom. One of the most impressive features of this bathroom is the innovative placement of the washing machine. The washer is cleverly tucked away between storage cabinets, making the most of every inch of space. And with the addition of a full-sized bathtub, this tiny home bathroom is both practical and luxurious. In addition to the bathtub, the bathroom also features a stylish sink and toilet. But what really sets this bathroom apart is the above toilet storage. This unique design maximizes vertical space, providing additional storage for towels, toiletries, and other bathroom essentials. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of the Nicole Micro House on Wheels by MitchCraft Tiny Homes. From the innovative storage solutions to the stunning bathroom and everything in between, this tiny home is a true work of art. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.